Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Life is good. LG has so far launched another X Boom Grab, which is 20 hours battery, and it's IP67, which means it's dust proof, waterproof, shock proof, like military soundbar. So it's passed all the tests for the military, and 20. Did I say 20 hours battery? So it comes with a. By the way, it's been endorsed by will.i.am, the musician, as you can see. So it's time to unbox it. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Kindly press a notification button on the TV, on your channel, so you'll be getting all the latest updates. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand for filming, but this is how you open it. And let's have our first look at this speaker right now. So this is kind of magnetic here. Here it's magnetic, and the speaker will look like, it looks like this. And there we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new X Boom. So it comes with a strap. You can just hold it like that. Yeah. So apparently it will come with the on button. Of course, it has to have on, volume down, volume up, play, Bluetooth, and the connection. Like you can connect with other speakers with the same connection. So the design itself is perfect. It's really good, and it has some metallic, shiny silver here. This is plastic here. And the sign shows that it's been approved by the ministry, and this is the side. So let's switch it on. Officially, let's give it a try. It has lighting down here. So then the colors will change for the lighting.